Welcome guys once again to our YouTube channel. You already saw what this video content about on title section. Now we are going to let's go on video. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to answer a two question: why we should learn Python, what is Python, why Python. The Python was created in 1991. The Python is an object oriented programming language and Python is an open source programming language. Python is an open source programming language. The Python is an interpreted language. The interpreted language means it will not run in like a machine code. It will run directly when you are writing a code. It is a high level language. What to do instead of how to do. It is easy to learn. It is portable language. The portable means it can be run by every systems. Whichever system runs C, it can be run by the Python. Next, another question: why Python? The Python works on a different platform. The syntax are similar to English on this programming language. The code in few lines. If you compare with C, we should write a code for hello world. It will be taking a 12 lines, but in Python it will take a single line, so that it is easy to learn. And its code can be executed very easily because you can understand English language. And its execution speed also is medium. It can be treated in a prudential way because you can understand the code. If you make any error, you can find out because of English language. And libraries also have different types of libraries for different problem. The benefit by the Python can be used, it is app development. For app development, web development and AML for learning AI, and anywhere and everywhere you can use it. Thank you guys. We will see in next video. I will show you how to write a code in Python.